Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to free up space on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Freeing up space on your PS5 involves managing your storage effectively. Here are steps you can follow to free up space. First method, delete unused games and apps. Navigate to the settings menu from the home screen. Then choose storage, choose console storage, or where the games are installed, like M.2 SSD storage. Then choose games and apps, then hit one of the game, then choose select items to delete. Check the games and apps you want to delete, highlight them, and press the options button on your controller. Choose delete to remove them. Another method, delete media files. Still on the settings, storage, on console storage, choose media gallery. Now, on the side panel options, click on the select multiple, then choose the media files you want to delete, screenshots, videos, etc. and press the options button. Choose delete on the lower right. Last method, manage saved data. Still on the settings, navigate to storage, console storage, then choose save data. For PS5 or PS4 games, choose the save data you no longer need and delete it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and free up space on your PS5, ensuring you have enough storage for new games and content.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.